Hello, Pre-Algebra. Welcome to week 7. So this week, we're going to continue working on chapter 3. Monday and Tuesday, we'll be graphing a line using intercepts, x and y intercepts. Wednesday and Thursday, we'll be solving systems of equations by graphing. And Friday, we'll begin solving systems of equations algebraically, or otherwise known as substitution. So lots of good stuff going on this week, but continue to make sure that you study daily because although there is no quiz or test this week, week 7, next week, week 8, there will be a chapter 3 test. So don't forget, studying means daily, going back through your notes, going back through the videos as necessary, and not waiting to the last minute. So have a great week and don't forget to study every day and good luck on your test next week.